In this video, I'll show you how to receive push notifications when someone tags you in a post on X, formerly Twitter, so you never miss a tag again. This is a quick and simple settings change, and once you turn it on, your phone will alert you whenever your account is tagged in a photo post. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy social media tips and step-by-step guides. Now let's jump right in. First, open X and go to the left navigation bar. Look for More and click on it. This opens the full menu where you can access all of your account settings. From here, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps your account controls, security options, and notification preferences. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how X sends alerts to you across the app and your device. Once you're inside Notifications, click Preferences. This is the area where you can fine-tune the exact types of alerts you want to receive. Now select Push Notifications. This will take you to the settings that control what appears directly on your phone as a push alert. Here, find Photo Tags and toggle it on. Turning this on means you'll receive a push notification whenever someone tags you in a photo post on X. After that, your setting is saved and you're done. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a big difference if you want to stay updated on tags and mentions in real time. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.